In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone in Calendly. Changing your time zone in Calendly is really important, especially if you work with people in different regions or you've recently travelled or moved. If your time zone is wrong, all of your meeting times can appear off for both you and your guests, which can lead to confusion and missed appointments. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click step by step, so your Calendly events always match your actual local time. First, go ahead and open Calendly in your web browser and sign into your account if you aren't already. Once you're on your main dashboard, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your initials or a small avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu. In the drop-down that appears, look for the option labeled Profile. This is where Calendly stores your personal settings, including your time zone. Click on Profile to go to your profile page. You'll now be taken to your personal profile area. This page contains details like your name, your link, and other basic account information. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right place. You should see sections related to your personal information and preferences. On this profile page, find the section that controls your time zone. It will typically be labeled Time Zone. This is the setting Calendly uses to calculate your availability and display meeting times. Click on the time zone field to open the list of available time zones. From here, you can choose the time zone that matches your current location. For example, if you've moved to a different country or you're traveling, select the time zone for the city or region you're in now. Once you select the correct time zone, Calendly will automatically adjust your existing event types and availability to reflect that time. After updating the time zone, make sure the new setting is visible on your profile. Some versions of Calendly may save changes automatically, but it's always a good idea to double check that the correct time zone is showing before you leave this page. And that's it. You've successfully changed your time zone in Calendly. From now on, your scheduled meetings should line up correctly with your local time, making it easier for both you and your invitees to stay on the same page.